Hello, my name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola, and today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of one of our most recent trades, a 2014 Grady-White 285 Freedom. We'll start at the transom. This boat is powered by twin Yamaha 300 4-strokes. Moving forward into the cockpit, you'll see large fish box, large live well, a flip-up seat here. Aft, very unique. A port side lounge seat that does retract aft electrically. Moving forward to the helm, we've equipped this boat with a Raymarine ES 125. It does have closed dome radar as well. Boat has 139 hours. Moving forward, large bow seating with cushions, storage under both sides here, and we do have a recessed windlass tucked away here. We'd like to thank you for watching this video, and remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com.